Hi, Paul here from PRwilson Media. Did you know that you could actually blog directly within Facebook itself? If you've got a Facebook page, you can add a note, and in that note you can create drafts, publish articles, longer, detailed, searchable articles that can help you get your message out there. Here's how it's done. Okay, so here I am on my Facebook page. If I scroll down here, you can see in the status area there's the write a note option, and that allows you to do the usual things you can do for an article. You can select a photo, either upload a new one, let's just use this particular image, just say announcing new social media toolkit, and it's got the date of the article. It's going to be when it's published, of course. You add the text in there. You can also add photos within the article itself, and see, that's not particularly relevant to the topic I'm showing, but just to demonstrate, add the text in here. I'll just create this as a draft for now, and just click save. And as it says, your draft is saved. You can find it in the notes section. So just go to here, say notes. That's the published one, but if I click on my drafts, you can see the new one. So if you've got a lot of content that's already on your website, a blog, why not create, copy and paste across all of your articles into Facebook so that people can access it all from within their Facebook time, instead of having to go to an external website. It's just another way to, obviously these results on a Facebook platform don't appear in the Google search results, so you're not duplicating content or impacting the content on your website and the traffic that goes to it. It's just another way to get use, get more people seeing what it is that you do. If I look at the published article that's there, you can see, if I click see more, you get the full article, and there's lots of content that you can put in there, and people can like, comment, share within Facebook. So you can even add GIFs and do all the usual things to really enhance the experience. So, you know, it's important because this could be found in search results when people are searching for articles. If I search now for the PRwilson Media page, what I'll see in results, public posts, you can see here straight away published a note. So it's an option that's rarely used at the moment, I would say, but it's a great advantage that you can take by making use of it. For other tips on Facebook, have a look at the playlist on my YouTube channel, Facebook training videos. Also have a lot of other playlists available. Just go to PRwilson Media on YouTube and have a look through. You've got Twitter, LinkedIn, general Facebook, and also general social media training. Please do subscribe. I'll be putting out content regularly, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever there's a new video out there. So that's it from me. I'm Paul from PRwilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.